first graders. Hope everyone's having a good day. I know my boys and I needed to get out this morning for a little bit, so we just went on a run around the block a couple times. It was good to get our energy going this morning. So here's your number talk for today. We're going to do 3 problems again and see what we can figure out. So the first one we're going to do is just 8 plus 8. Again, go ahead and pause the video if you're not sure what the answer is yet. Go ahead and pause it. Once you have your sum, you can go ahead and play again, and we'll listen to see what our different strategies are. So if I were Jack, how might you solve this one? Go ahead.
8 plus 8.
What would your strategy be?
So 8 plus 8 is 14.
Why?
Because
You think maybe 14?
4.
Okay. What would your strategy be? And let's check it out.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you counted your first 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, okay. So maybe 16. So Jack counted his 8. He knew he had 8, and then he kept counting on 8 more. So when we count on 8 more, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So do you think this answer is 16 instead of 14? Okay. Patrick, what would you do?
So I would do, you add 2 to the first 8,
Okay.
and then you subtract 2.
You're taking 2 away from here.
Mhm.
Okay.
And then it's 8 plus 2 is 10, and then 10 plus 6 is 16.
Okay, so you're making a 10 and then adding the rest.
Or I just know my doubles.
Or you might just know your doubles. So if you're confident with your doubles, you may remember that 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. All right, so let's keep that in our brains, and let's go ahead and solve 8 plus 7. All right, so again, go ahead and pause it if you need to try and figure it out. Otherwise, Patrick's ready to share what he did.
So we know that 8 plus 8 is 16, so we do 8 plus 8 is 16 minus 1 is 15.
All right, so again, this is a doubles minus 1 problem, similar to what we had done yesterday, okay? Just to see if we keep that strategy. Some of you who are comfortable with that strategy, you might have recognized that as one you used yesterday as well. I would do the same as Patrick. However, there's other ways to go about doing that. Maybe, again, adding 2 from that 7 to make 10, and then you're only left with 5 more. Okay, and then finally, what if we had 8 plus 9? How might you go about solving that problem?
So we know 8 plus 8 is 16, and then 16 plus 1 is 17.
Okay. So similar again to what some strategies were yesterday. If we know our doubles of 8 plus 8 is 16, then we just need to add 1 more to get to 17. Again, kind of think about it, decide if you agree with one of those. Maybe you had an even different strategy. Maybe you used more of a counting on strategy like Jack had done in the first problem. But whatever it is, hopefully you have somebody you can just quickly tell them what you did to solve the problem. Have a great day.
What I want to do in this video is take this quantity represented by these greenish emerald looking bars, where each bar represents 1, and try to represent them using the digits that we know, the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to group this into tens. So I'm going to see how many tens I have, and then essentially how many ones that I have left over. So let's try to group this into groups of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I messed that up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group of 10 right over there. Let me Let me box that off so I know that that is 10. So that's one group of 10. Now let's see if I can get a few more groups of 10 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my second group of 10. Right over there. Second group of 10. And now let's see, it looks like I get several more groups of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a third group of 10. It looks like I might even be able to get one more. So that's my third group of 10. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's my fourth group of 10. Fourth group of 10 right over here. So I was able to fit in, at least just this is one, this is a 10 right over here. This is another 10 right over here. That's the third 10. And then that's the fourth 10. So we could say that's 10 plus 10 plus 10. Or all of this combined is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 4 tens. But I'm not done. I'm not done with the number. I still have 1, 2. I have 2 ones left over. So this is a 1. So that's a 1 right over there. And then this is another 1. So that's another 1. So I have 2 ones. So this right over here, that is 2 ones. Remember, each of these little green bars we said represents a 1. So this whole number is what? Well, it's going to be the 4 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, plus the 2 ones. So let me write that down. So it is 4 tens plus 2 ones. Well, what is that? Well, if we use the number systems that we're used to representing, we would say, well, look, our number system gives us a way of representing that. Because the first place, this is the ones place. So let me do this in this blue color. So this is the ones place. So there we use one of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to say how many ones we have. And we have 2 ones. And then the next place over to the left, that's where we say how many tens we have. That's where we say how many tens we have. And we know how many tens we have. We have 4 tens. So the way that we would represent this in our number system is we would say that this is 4 tens and 2 ones. And we call this right over here, we call this 42. Another way that you could think about this is 4 tens. Well, 4 tens, that's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That's going to be 40. So, but once again, we're using our number system to represent this. And then we have 2 ones. And then we have 2 ones. But I like to write it this way just to remind ourselves. This 4, which represents 4 tens, it also represents 40 because 4 tens is 40.